Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Hello, everyone. And hello, Nexo. This is a vocabulary lesson.
Hello, Emma. I am ready to learn.
Today, we will learn words from this category. Countries, with words like Spain and Canada.
That sounds very interesting, Emma.
Here is how the video is structured. Listen to each word. Quiz 1. Practice the words in Quiz 1. Hear each word in a sentence. Quiz 2. Practice the phrases in Quiz 2. Are you ready to begin, Nexo?
Yes. Emma, I am ready.
Let's start by listening to the countries.
Great. I will listen carefully. Countries. Spain. Spain. France. France. Italy. Italy. China. China. Japan. Japan. Brazil. Brazil. Mexico. Mexico. Canada. Canada. Egypt. Egypt. India. India. Australia. Australia. England. England. I know some country names now.
Now, we will do a quiz to reinforce the vocabulary learned. Nexo, match the image with the correct word.
Italy. France. England. Spain. What is this? Spain. What is this? France. What is this? Italy. Brazil. China. Japan. Canada. What is this? China. What is this? Japan. What is this? Brazil. Italy. Canada. Mexico. Egypt. What is this? Mexico. What is this? Canada. What is this? Egypt. England. Egypt. India. Australia. What is this? India. What is this? Australia. What is this? England.
How was the quiz, Nexo? Now, let's hear the vocabulary in context.
It was good. The pictures helped me. Countries. Spain. I am from Spain. I am from Spain. France. France is a big country. France is a big country. Italy. Italy has good food. Italy has good food. China. China is very big. China is very big. Japan. Japan is an island country. Japan is an island country. Brazil. Brazil has a green flag. Brazil has a green flag. Mexico. Mexico is near the United States. Mexico is near the United States. Canada. Canada is very cold. Canada is very cold. Egypt. Egypt has pyramids. Egypt has pyramids. India. India has many people. India has many people. Australia. Australia has kangaroos. Australia has kangaroos. England. England has red buses. England has red buses.
Now it is time for quiz 2. Match the image with the sentence.
I will choose the correct sentence. I am from Spain. A. France is a big country. A. Italy has good food. C. China is very big. B. Japan is an island country. A. Brazil has a green flag. C. Mexico is near the United States. A. Canada is very cold. C. Egypt has pyramids. B. India has many people. C. Australia has kangaroos. A. England has red buses. B.
Good job. We learned useful country words today.
I liked this lesson. The countries were easy to see.
This is the end of the lesson. Goodbye, everyone, and continue with the next lesson.